Hey everybody, I'm John with John Shutters and Aramco. I know it looked like we were working really fast, but we've been out here for a few minutes. We're in deep August, hurricane season. Nothing in the Gulf right now, but it won't be long. It's fixing to heat up. But today we're going to be doing an installation of a different type of roll shutter. Today we're installing the Rollac Foam Filled Shutter. So as you can see, it comes in a different type of color and it matches the customer's home perfectly, and that's why they chose it. So stay tuned. We're going to be going through this. I just wanted to bring you something. Hadn't brought you nothing in a while, so stay tuned. So we've now hung all three shutters. Now we're going back and squaring them up, making sure they're level, plumb, straight, everything's perfect. Now we're putting in the insulation fasteners. Unfortunately, it's Monday at about 9 a.m. and we got some dead batteries. So we're gonna put you on a brief pause, but the installation is going great. Just want to check in with you guys, let you know it's going great. We're gonna be wrapping this up in no time, all right? All right, taking a quick break here. I don't know if you could tell from the video, I'm literally melting out here. We've now got the shutters installed. They're all screwed off. John's putting the plugs in. Fixing to be doing the furling of the track adjustments. We'll be dropping the slats and making them work. We've just about wrapped up the installation here. You can see it over my shoulder. It's looking beautiful. Another clean installation. This would be 3 manual shutters from the outside. Arcona Beige. This is our final installation. Mid-August, hot, 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 and we're out of here. Thanks. See you on the next one.
You lose.